Hi friends, in this video we will discuss how to install Node.js on your system. For me, I am using Windows 10 operating system. So I have to download a compatible file of Node.js on my Windows operating system. You can visit on nodejs.org/en. Node.js is an open source course platform JavaScript runtime environment. Download for Windows 64-bit. So I'm going to install 18.16.0 long time support LTS recommended for most users. So we will stick with this 18.16.0 version LTS. So in order to install Node.js on Windows 10 or Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 7, you have to download these versions. Let me click on this one. Let us wait. It is downloading. It is about to complete. Yes, it is completed. We got node-v 18.16.0-x64.msi file. Let us double click. Yes, publisher OpenJS Foundation. Do you want to run this file? Yes, we can click on run. Welcome to the Node.js setup wizard. The setup wizard will install Node.js on your computer. Yes, we can click next. So we have to allow or accept all the terms and conditions. Let us scroll down and let us click on I accept the terms in the license agreement. Let it move to next. We can print and keep it with us if you want. Let us move to next. So this is the location where our Node.js is going to be installed. For my case, it is in C drive, program files, Node.js folder. If you want to change it, you can use this button. I want to keep as it is. I want to install it on program files folder itself in C drive. So I keep as it is. Let me click next. Node.js runtime, core pack manager, npm package manager. Automatically npm is also installed. Online documentation and shortcuts. Add to path. Yes. Okay. Now let us click next. Some NVM modules need to be compiled from C, C++ while installing. If you want to be able to install such modules, some tools, Python and Visual Studio build tools need to be installed. Okay. Automatically install the necessary tools. Note that this will also install chocolatey. The script will pop up in a new window after the installation completes. Alternatively, follow the instruction at some URL to install dependency yourself. So let us click check mark. Click next. Ready to install Node.js. Click install to begin the installation. Click back to review or change any of your installation settings. Click cancel or to exit the wizard. We can go with the our settings as of now. So let us click on install. Yes, it's going to be installed. Open new files. Yes, complete the Node.js setup wizard. Click the finish button to exit the setup wizard. Node.js has been successfully installed. So we successfully installed Node.js on our Windows 10 operating system. Press any key to continue. Look at here. So let me click on enter key. Look at here. We are going to install additional tools for Node.js. Administrator Windows PowerShell is open. Our additional tools is downloading. Let us wait. Look at here, chocolatey, Python. All these things are installing. Yes, Python installation completed. So we successfully completed every additional tools and in their Node.js. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you. One more thing, let us check whether the node is running in our system by executing the command node hyphen version. Enter. Let us try hyphen enter. Look at here, version 18.16.0. That means this same one, 18.16.0 ATS. So we successfully installed Node version 18.16.0 on our system. Thank you.